Hi, my name is Büchsenschütz. I'm the co-founder and chief operating officer of RIIIco, our startup from Germany. So at RIIIco, we want to make existing factories more resilient and competitive. And that is why we have developed a technology that captures the shop floor from the factory directly, runs AI over that, and delivers 3D models to the entire facility to plan, simulate, and collaborate with. It's super easy. The way you work is you walk through the factory, you click our AI button, you create a 3D model, and then you can use it for logistic planning, the material flow simulation, robot simulation, and even in our own tool on the browser for rough design. It is built for a browser for a normal business laptop. And the way you can do it is you can now just move items from left to right, discuss with your colleagues, how would you build the facility overseas? Sometimes we have cases of expansion. Then you scan the facility overseas and in your home country, and then you just Control-C, Control-V your production line, and you can discuss how would we implement these things, all without being in the facility. It's saving a lot of time, it's making better decisions, and it's making manufacturing more competitive. So this year, RIIIco is going to be at the Young Innovator stand at Hall 16, booth F15. And come to us, visit the future of reality capturing and factory planning with us. We're looking forward to see you.